devil's food cake with 2 ingredients, but I'm gonna add an optional 3rd ingredient because I found this blackberry pie filling and I thought, ooh, that looks pretty delicious. So you do not have to add that, but got my devil's food cake mix here. Devil's food cake right here, Dining on a Dime, volume 1. Now, secret ingredient, blackberry Dr. Pepper. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, what's this taste like? Oh, that is really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love that. Oh, this is gonna be great. My mom loves blackberry. She passed it on to me. I love blackberry. All right, here we go. We're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, I have my chocolate blackberry, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the white frosting. This is cream cheese, but you can use whatever you want. Then I'm gonna take my blackberry pie filling. I'm going to put it over the top. Now, this is all optional. I should have had Mike taste test it first, but I just had these and it looked so good. So I thought I'd give it a try. Yum. Oh man, this looks delicious. Cut this baby and see what Mike thinks. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that looks delicious. This is blackberry cream cheese soda cake. That's a name and a half, isn't it?
This is my diet food.
Yes. This will give you vibes of Idaho when we lived in Idaho.
Will it?
Remember when we used to collect the blackberries along the river in Idaho?
Yes, I do. That was so much fun. Man, this is really good.
Ooh.
Have more.
You have 7 more cakes to test.
Oh, okay, never mind. Okay.
We are going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook, volume number 1, free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. I am making 2 ingredients, strawberry and cream cake. Oh yum. This sounds super delicious. Nine by 13 pan. Spraying it with oil. We're going to throw this in the oven and bake it. Cream, I have strawberry frosting, so that's what I'm going to use. You could use cream cheese frosting. That would be really good. Oh, yum. This one is strawberry cream.
Strawberry cream. Ooh, yum. It's very moist and it's definitely like a strawberry cake. Yum.
I am making yellow cake mix and root beer. All right, ChatGPT gave me 100 combinations of 2-ingredient cake. Do you guys think I should do 100 2-ingredient cakes? I'm gonna throw this in the oven, and while I do, please comment and let me know if I should do all 100 combinations. You could also use whipped cream if you want. Probably even cream cheese frosting would be good. This is just vanilla. Oh, yum. Yum.
It's good, but I'm trying to see if I taste the root beer in it.
Well, it must be good if you're taking a second bite.
It's very tasty, but I'm wondering if it's the frosting that's making it harder to taste the root beer.
Does it? But it's good.
Yeah, it is good. I ate 2 forks full tonight.
2-ingredient cake with butter pecan and ginger ale. It's going to be like a ginger type cake. Yum. Okay, then we're gonna mix this all around. Ooh, that smells really good. All right, my new favorite baking pans. Love these things. Throw this in the oven and bake it. Butter pecan. Yum. Yeah, the secret to doing a cake so it doesn't tear like I just did is to never let your spatula get off the frosting. You're just moving the frosting. You don't want to move the cake. Just move the frosting. Now this is optional, of course. Okay, Mike doesn't eat nuts, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, that is delicious. Oh my goodness. So here's Jack. I was going to have him taste test the butter pecan, but what? There's none left now.
Well, there's a little bit.
Is that a thumbs up then?
Yes, it is.
Yay. Cream soda cake. Got my yellow cake mix. My cream soda. Throw this in the oven and bake it.
I'm carefully cutting it. Oops. It's very light and fluffy. It's really delicious.
We have 2-ingredient 7-Up cake. Got my yellow cake mix. My can of 7-Up. Spray my pan with oil. Going to throw this in the oven and bake it. Oh, yum. This one is the 7-Up cake.
Yum.
Since I got the other confused.
Mmm.
Like a pound cake.
Mm-hmm. They're all very fluffy and moist.
Yum.
It doesn't have a very standout flavor because I guess 7-Up is
Just
sugar water.
It's like a pound cake, yeah.
Yeah, it's really good though.
Today I'm making a root beer float cake. I'm gonna take my crock pot and spray it with my oil, my refillable oil sprayer. Absolutely love it. I'm using deviled food cake mix, but if you want to use the recipe from our Dining on a Dime cookbook, we have an excellent devil's food cake. Just leave out the wet ingredients. Then we're going to pour our cake mix in and our A&W soda. Going to get this all mixed around. Oh, that smells so good. Vanilla pudding mix. And my milk. All right, then we are going to pour this right in the center of our cake mix. Oh, yum. Then we're gonna put a towel over the top with a lid and bake this in our crock pot. Okay, I had my towel here to collect the condensation. Ooh. Now, I went about half an hour longer than I should have, but it's okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, we're going to top it with some whipped cream or whipped topping. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna taste this because my family is not home. I'm gonna taste test it. That is surprisingly good. I'm kind of shocked. I never thought root beer float for a cake. Yep, give this one a try. It's pretty delicious.